All right, so it says a line in the XY plane passes through the origin. So right away, I'm just going to draw this. It hurts. So we have an XY plane here. And there's a line that passes through an origin, the origin here, and it has a slope of 1/7. So that means it would go up 1 over 7. So here's going up 1, here's 7. I'm not going to draw all the other ones because it doesn't really matter. There's only 2 points here that are needed to make the line. And then we're just going to connect these. That's embarrassing. Connect these like so. Okay, it's saying which of the following points lies on the plane. Okay, well, just based on the graph that I have here, you can kind of get rid of some of these, like 0, 7. 0 right here, it goes through the origin, so it can't be 0, 7. 0, 7 is like up here. Okay, so it's definitely not A. All right, B, it says 1, 7. Well, 1's right here, and 7's up here. So it's definitely not going to be that one. Okay. 7, 7. Well, here's 7. 7's up here. 7, 7's up here. So there's no way it could be that one either. Which means the only other possible answer would be D, 14 and 2. 14, 2. Which does make sense because it goes up 1 over 7. So here's 7, 1. If I went up 1 again to 2, I know this is not to scale, but if I went up 2 over 7, it would be at 14, right? Okay, well, that's a graphical way of answering this. There are many different ways to answer this. So I'm going to show you another way. If you wanted to, you can just actually write this as a y equals mx plus b, so the equation of a line. So you can say y is equal to mx plus b. Well, the m in this case is going to be 1/7 because it says it right there, 1/7. So it's going to be 1/7 x plus b. But your b is technically 0 because b represents the y-intercept of the origin. So b is 0. So really, this would be y is equal to 1/7 x plus 0, which is 1/7 x. So what you can do is plug in all of these x's here and see which of them actually get the right y value. So if you plug in 0 here for this one, you should get 7. So if I plug in 0, so I plug 7 in for y and then 0 in for x. 0 times anything is 0. So 7 is not equal to 0. It can't be this one. Okay. The only one that would work if you tried all of them is D. Because if you did, let's see here, blue. If you did 2 for the y is equal to 1/7 times 14, well, this is just 14 over 7. 14 over 7 is 2. So that's, again, another way of showing that this is the answer. Okay. It seems like this wouldn't be on the SAT because it's kind of a simple problem once you break it down like this, but you will see questions like this on there.